I know some of y'all are used to the court system. You're used to going in and out of court. Well, I'm used to going in and out of court, but that was at a younger age, not now. Now, I don't want to see another courtroom. I don't want to see another judge. I don't want to see another police officer. Honestly, I don't want to step foot in anything that involves the law. Nothing at all. I don't even like going to the administration office in order to fill out any type of forms at all. I would rather stay clear of the law. So today, when I saw this video, I said, you know what? I need to review this. I haven't watched it yet because I was waiting to watch it with y'all because Judge Simpson gets into it with a young mother who can't keep her mouth shut. And he loses his temper as well as she does. And what happens next? Well, let's just say we're going to find out. But before we get into the video, I need y'all to do 3 things for me. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and share this video so someone else can do the very same thing. And if they don't, then we're going to send bench report court cam after them. Let's see exactly what happens when this young mother can't quite keep her mouth shut in front of the judge.
Down, check your attitude, and then I'll call your case back up. Have a seat. Have a seat.
Welcome to Bench Report Court Cam.
Court calls case YPF16 LLC versus Kiera Fleming.
This is in Michigan, by the way, and this is Judge J. Cedric Simpson, Judge Simpson. Looks like a fair guy, gives her a
Good
smile.
afternoon, Your Honor. David
He
Van
smiled.
plaintiff.
Your name?
Kiera Fleming.
All right. Where are we on this case?
He wasn't me mugging.
Ms. Fleming has a balance of $4,298.39. She indicates that she mailed the rental assistance form to the court on Wednesday.
She mailed it on Wednesday?
Yeah, I didn't know. I couldn't really hear you, but I thought you said mail it in, so I mailed it in.
Well, it needs to
proof
be at
that
the court by
that I filled out an SIR with my tracking number and everything. I mean, an SER.
I don't have it.
He ain't got it.
So I sent it in.
He doesn't have it.
Your Honor, I'll leave it up to the court what the court wants to do. I don't think she,
Yeah.
her balance is $4,298.39. She's been on rapid rehousing with SOS paying their portion. She's never made a payment to my client. And I reached out, and from what she has said, so I reached out to SOS to see if they were going to be able to help her with the balance. What she indicated to
Anyways,
me.
can I talk? They're not going to.
Before she gets into her rant, let's say we can assume that she is on government assistance for housing, and SOS is basically a government organization that helps pay your rent, and so she is using SOS to help pay whatever portion of the rent they pay, and then the rest of the balance is up to her to pay it. So she is here because she actually owes $4,200 and something dollars, which has not been paid yet. And the court is looking to make a judgment based on who they find liable for paying the rest of his
They're
balance.
not going to be able to help with
Ma'am. Let him finish, and I will
He's
then
rude.
hear
I don't
from
like.
you. Want to know what?
Oh.
Don't try to
She don't
overtalk
like
me,
him.
because that will never
That's
happen.
what she.
That's fine.
Am
what
I
she
understood?
doing.
Yes.
You know what? I'm going to pass the matter. You go down, check your attitude, and then I'll call your case back up. Have a seat.
She had an
Have a
attitude.
seat.
She had an attitude. That's why he's not having it. Oh.
Keep back talking. You better take that out of here. Oh, don't give me that look. Lee, get her out of my courtroom.
Oh, she gave him an ice.
Get her out
She
of my
gave him
courtroom.
that gangster look. I didn't even see the look, but I know
Court pass
exactly
that
what
matter.
look
Court
she
does
gave
call the
him,
case of
'cause he's
YPF16
not happy
LLC versus Nakia Turner.
He's not happy about that at all. And you have to understand something. All she had to do was keep her mouth shut. She didn't have to say anything while walking away, sit down, and just wait until he calls you back up. But instead, she had to say something under her breath and gave him a ice cold stare. Plus, her son is with her. What kind of example is she setting for her son? This is the reason why young kids grow up Young kids grow up to be dysfunctional because young kids emulate their parents. Now, this is a young boy that is watching his mother act a fool and get an attitude, lose her cool, and go off of emotion. So what do you think that young man is going to grow up doing?
Your Honor, I'll wait for it.
That just messes up my whole day. Everybody else is gonna have a hard time with me now.
I'm glad I
I
was
was in a good mood, and it's just gonna take one person. It just takes one person that just messed up my whole attitude.
I'm glad I wasn't there that day. She messed it up for everybody now.
Nakia Turner. That's
Your Honor, I filed an administrative closing on this case. I was able to verify with her bankruptcy attorney that there is a bankruptcy in both their names.
okay.
And so I gave to,
And I will sign the order for administrative closing.
great.
Got it. And YPF 16
Hey, the judge
versus
ain't
Christina
bad.
Morgan. That
He
matter is
laughing,
dismissed on
joking.
plaintiff's.
He's not bad at all.
And
not one of those
so we
assholes.
only have her.
Yes.
Bring her back.
Do I want you to go get? Not really, but I don't want to hold up
Come
Mr.
on
Pantera.
down.
Tell her she can come back in now.
Come on down. Her son is about to observe exactly.
You know,
how
people,
a
if she
grown
don't act
woman,
right,
her
it's
mother.
gonna get bad. No, hey, I'm just telling you. I'm just giving fair warning.
He finished the sentence for me.
So we can go get it for you right now.
No,
Yeah,
I'm good.
The judge is
I don't know about
cool.
the rest of
He's
you,
not a
but I'm
bad
good.
judge. He's not a bad judge at all. We've been in front of those judges that don't smile, don't laugh, don't joke, serious,
Your Honor,
Assholes.
if you want to pass,
I'll pass it, and then
narcissists.
no. You know what? You keep talking, I'm gonna do something to you too. Court cause the case of Augusta Woods versus the 𝐂𝐨𝐮𝐫𝐭𝐫𝐫𝐨 Ballard.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Your Honor. David
Where's
Santa
my girl
Croce
at?
on behalf of
There she
Shelby
goes.
Mink. Oh,
There she goes.
Okay, got it.
Round two.
Is
Point.
she in the premises or
so
Here.
she her
YPF 16 LLC versus Kiera Fleming?
All right, here we go again. Mortal Kombat! Hey, that's what it feels like. It feels like they're about to stand off, have a standoff in the courtroom. You see how he's
Parties have
looking, right?
returned.
You see how he's looking.
And Terry,
He
you were in
knows.
the middle of your statement.
yes, her current balance is $4,123.39. Court costs of $175 for a total of $4298.39. She's been in rapid rehousing where SOS has been paying her portion and she's supposed to pay the rest. She has never made a payment. I reached out to SOS. They tried to reach out to her. And it's my understanding that the rapid rehousing ends at the end of July. So in August, she's gonna be responsible for the whole thing herself. She hasn't filed a rental assistance form. I don't think it's a tribal issue of fact. We would ask the court for a judgment.
Ma'am, what did you wish to say?
Anyways, like I was saying, SOS was paying my rent for 3 months without me having to pay anything. Like I told Ms. Terry through SOS that I ended up losing my job. And I wasn't able to pay nothing at the moment. And I'm just now getting a job and I wasn't able to pay nothing until today. But yeah, and I sent in my SER through the mail. I didn't know I had to come and actually bring it in. I don't have a car. So anytime I go anywhere, I have to get on a bus with my children. So,
They don't have it.
I don't know if
They don't have it.
if they bring the mail to y'all, but I definitely sent the SER to this courtroom
If they bring the mail to
the
y'all.
judge with your name on it, Cedric Simpson.
Did
No, they didn't.
But SOS doesn't stop. She said that I already filled the paperwork out yesterday when she came. They pay August, but after August, I won't be getting no more help from SOS. But I reached out to Hawk they're able to help. And I did do an SDR with my caseworker, and I have an appointment with my caseworker on Monday for help, so I can get help with my rent. And I'm able to pay altogether $900 today, but that's all I can afford.
At least she has a portion. Well, no, her rent is $1,200 and something, I believe. So
Well,
not
if we
900.
get to August
well,
1st, then August rent is going to kick in, which means you're not going to be able
No,
to.
August rent is paid by her, by SOS.
I'm going to let you finish because I'm not going to be interrupted again.
I'm sorry.
So what else did you want to say?
That's all I had to say. That's what I said. It was already paid.
He's giving her a
August
chance.
month is already paid. That's why she came over yesterday and I filled out the paperwork. So August month to be paid. After August, September, I won't be getting no help after August, is what I'm telling you.
He's not concerned about August, though.
If
you
SOS
would've
pays
let
in
him
August
finish.
what they paid in July, it would be $650 on a $1,300 apartment, which would mean she'd be responsible for the other $650.
That's not true.
But even
13.
without, let's assume that for the sake of argument that SOS is going to pay the whole thing. She still has a $4,200 balance, and I don't think there's any way that's going to be paid.
And that $900 is just not enough. Even if she put the $900 towards August's rent, she still owes what? The rent is $1,300, so she's still going to owe money on that one. And if SOS pays it, you still now owe the $4,200. So there's no wins for her here at all, unless she pays that full balance of $4,200 something
She hasn't filed the
dollars.
form, even though, the previous person heard you just fine last week when you said, we get it here within 5 days. It wasn't here within 5 days. We'd ask for a judgment today.
I did turn it in within 5 days. You said turn it in Wednesday, which I did turn it in Wednesday. And who is he to say that I won't have all of it paid? Like, you don't know that. I didn't know I can get as much help as I did until I reached out to all these companies.
Your Honor,
And I was unemployed for a while, which I just got a job. I just started working 3 weeks ago. So this is my first check. You have to wait 2 weeks in a hole to even get your first check.
Your Honor,
They don't care.
I'm willing to extend the judgment, normally be the 28th. If we were to extend the judgment to August 4th,
So then
There's
August
no
rent
tribal
would
issue
kick
for this
in.
court in regard to this case. I'll grant a judgment court possession with the redemption amount of the $4,298.39
So she has to pay
with the
that.
writ to issue August 4th, 2025. Thank you.
Can you tell me exactly what does that mean? So I can have an
I just
That means they
issued
don't
the
care about the
judgment,
August payment.
The 429839
To the
will
property.
need to be paid on or before August 4th of 2025. I've done it that way because if I grant an adjournment in this case, quite frankly, whatever the dispute is with the August rent would be added on to this figure, which I was trying to say earlier.
Yep.
Yeah.
So it's a benefit that if you can find the funds to get this paid, you only have to pay this amount. Does not include anything for August.
Okay.
Nothing for
Right.
August.
So you have to the 4th to get it paid.
Yeah, but last thing I gotta say is that when I talked to my SOS
Of
worker,
course
Ms. Terry, our agreement was for her to pay the full amount because she know I'm not gonna be able to pay the full amount. The money that I have now is going to be towards to the money I already owe. So August is already gonna be paid. Like the
He
full
doesn't
amount is
care
gonna
about
be paid, so I won't
August.
have to worry about August.
Maybe you're not hearing me.
I'm
I
hearing what you
just
said.
issued a judgment. I'm not dealing with
For
August.
42.
I know that. I'm just let you know for sure that's
Some
gonna be
people
paid.
don't
That's all.
listen.
But thank you. Have a nice one.
Some people don't listen. People are rude. Y'all heard her? Y'all heard exactly what she said, right? She had to say something as she walked away. And look at the judge's face. He is not having that at all. He is not happy. Look at his face. Look at his face. I told y'all, he is playing right now. She's gone. See, I told y'all this is a cool judge. I don't see any problems or any issues with him because he jokes and laughs. And he's pretty fair because he told her that she needs to pay the $4,200 before August 4th. He didn't even add August rent to it. So whatever agreement she has for August to be paid in full, that's their agreement with SOS. But she still needs to pay that $4,200, which includes the court fees. but she's not listening. Some people don't listen. They would rather talk. They would rather respond. And so her son, who is with her, actually has to deal with this. He actually has to see this. And I guess the father is not in that son's life, because why is he there in the courtroom with you? He should either be in school, he should either be with his father, or you should have got somebody to watch him. But she probably doesn't have any type of assistance in that way. And she says that she has children, not a child. She says she has children. So where are the other children? See, we need to start making better decisions. But of course, most human beings are not going to, because we're either not taught how to make good decisions when we're young, or we emulate our parents, which is exactly what this young boy is going to do growing up, because he sees exactly how his mother acts in a courtroom where a judge is being fair to her. Y'all be safe out there. Until next time.
If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content.